In our sports news, Young Buffaloes Football Club head coach Dominic Kunene says 90 minutes in the field of play will clarify who is the best between his side and Matsapha United. Kunene was speaking after defeating Mbabane Highlanders in the Swazi semi-finals at Somhlolo National Stadium.
After the inform, Young Buffaloes defeated Mbabane Giants Highlanders in the semi-finals of the Swazi tournament #Yelele thanks to striker Piwa Dlamini. Mbabane Highlanders head coach Rodney Charles said conceding an early goal destroyed their game plan.
It's one of those days where you find that you try give away an early goal, which we try to combat. We tell them early, no early goals around, focus, concentrate, switch on from the start. Unfortunately, one of those things, early goal, we tried coming back, but it didn't work for us.
For Buffaloes, coach Dominic Kunene, who is already into the finals against Matsapha United, says he can only hand over the trophy to Matsapha United once the final whistle has been blown.
Umuntu winile kithi nasidlalile naye so nyalo sinje siyawupreparisha 90 minutes utasitshela ukuthi sende kahle noma kasikendi kahle.
The champions between Matsapha United and Young Buffaloes will walk away with an amount of R1 million emalangeni and a straight qualification into the CAF Confederations Cup 2018-2019 season. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musonera, John Moreken, Lobamba.